MoeTheDriver.
The problem is, she's only 4'11", and the bent seat in the truck just didn't work for us. I tried to scoop the bent seat all the way up so she could reach the pedals, but then guess what? I couldn't get in the truck. It didn't work. So what I've done is went and purchased some of these budget racing seats from eBay. I'm gonna unbox them, put them in the truck, they'll be more comfortable, and we'll be able to adjust the seats one at a time. That way, she can actually learn how to drive the thing. And the seats will be taken out later when we put the cage in and all that stuff, but for now, we're just gonna put them in there and roll with it. All right, so in the box, we have this box of brackets, maybe, not sure. And there was another one, but it fell way down there, so we'll get to it in a minute. But right now, let's get these out. 2 seats in the plastic here, and then these mounting brackets or something or other. So let's take a look in one of these boxes and see what's inside. So let's see what we got. Some hardware. And we have the sliders for the seats. So we have sliders here. We have the hardware for those. And we have a little instructions here. Sports seat assembly instructions. Pretty basic. Nothing to that. Gosh, I wanted to film this video later at night so it wasn't so hot, but it's 9 o'clock at night and it's super hot, man. It's like sweating, hot. All right, so look at the seats. Pretty basic design, not too much to it. You'll actually see they do have the adjustable stuff to recline here. All right, so the seat is actually fully adjustable. I mean, it lays all the way back. So that's pretty cool. So, I mean, depends on what you're doing in your vehicle. Obviously you can move the seat where you want it, but it's pretty cool. I like that. And it's pretty budget. I mean, you feel the cushion, it's not great, but it's a cushion. Of course, no lumbar support or anything like that. It's pretty cheap, but it'll do the trick. There it is. There it is, folks. Pretty basic eBay racing seat. I think these were about $2.50 a pair. Maybe even a little less than that. But they're perfect for the job. And the back looks like pretty cool. And they're pretty cheap. So, I mean, I'll take that. And this is what we're going to put on there. Are the planted brackets that I showed you in a prior video. So these planted brackets are actually going to go on there, and in the next video we're going to work on putting this together, because this bracket goes under here and this stuff goes on there. So that's what we're going to work on in the next video, so stay tuned and we will get this thing all put together and we'll put it in the truck. So that's what's coming next. Thanks for watching the video. I'm super hot and sweaty, man. I gotta get out of here. I'm dying, you know? I'm melting in the garage. So I'm out, man. I gotta go.